Hi guys, paper trading is very important, especially when you are doing algo trading. What is paper trading? Paper trading is doing your trade with virtual money, not real money. Doing your trade with virtual money in the real market, which simulates the real trades. For example, you have a moving average crossover strategy that you want to test on Reliance on a capital of 5 lakh rupees. So you can create a strategy, and on a crossover, your buying and selling can happen virtually, mimicking the real trade, but giving you at the exit exactly the same result that you will get in a real trade. This is very important because in stock market, if you think it was right and if you sustain losses, they will be real if you deploy your real money in the start. And especially in the start, when you are in the learning process, you're learning option strategies, you're learning Bollinger Bands, technical analysis, price action, market trends, whatever. And you want to test a concept, why not test it on paper trading first? Like when you go to algofinders.com, there you have the choice to choose either live trading or paper trading. I recommend, even if the backtesting shows a winning strategy, please, test it with paper trading for 15 days. If in 15 days you see good results, you see profits, then you can switch from paper trading to live trading. What are the disadvantages of paper trading? Your rival emotions will not bubble up. But since we are doing algos, so in algos we are in any case doing rule-based trading. So doing paper trading in the start, like for example, you have 6 strategies. You can deploy all of them on paper, and out of that, the 1 or 2 winning strategies later on, you can take to live trading. So paper trading is a must if you want to become a rule-based, process-driven, fearless, profitable trader and investor.